They are beating journalists. They are beating journalists. They are beating journalists. They are beating journalists. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Sabakunzi bamukutte. Tuli Busujju. Sabakunzi akwatiddwa. Sabakunzi akwatiddwa.
Twazeeko Busujju okulonkinga ekifaananyi ky'omukulembeze waffe His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ate era naye poliisi y'eno batusazeeko.
Very challenging. Very challenging. And also in good time. If it could end between me and you in this area, it's better. Well, I don't want to get the problem. No. That person is there.
Let us just launch the president
on it.
You know him, the president is already
just 5 minutes from now.
Nominating.
So after here, how many minutes do I give you?
Like 30 minutes. Okay, 20.
Yeah, make 20.
Yes.
First up this, because this is not Kakino. I'm seeing Chihuahua. This is not
now at least we are aware that we have an activity.
His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi, viva! Viva Busujju, viva! Nze nga Ssaabakunzi Buwembo Habibu, Ssaabakunzi wa NUP, njagala kutwala omukisa guno nga nsinziira mu Busujju nga nkulembeddwamu enteekateeka ekoleddwa muganda wange Sennabulya Juma mu kutongoza official poster ya His Excellency Robert